Present mode offers a board space around your sheet, perfect for collaborating with colleagues or importing images. To import images from your Snaptrude project into present mode, simply navigate to your Views tab and browse through all your views. Your plans, 3D views, and renders are all accessible from your Views tab. Select and drag the desired view into present mode, whether it's a plan, a 3D view, or a render. Once a plan is added into present mode, you have the choice to either leave it on the board or incorporate it into your sheets. You can resize your drawing based on the available scales or double-click to crop your drawing. Then the transform tools can be used to enlarge your drawing. The text size within the plan adjusts according to the size of the image. You're free to import multiple 3D views or plans into the same sheet, or leave them on the board for collaboration. Present mode also allows to import assets from your local computer. Click on the Asset button from the top toolbar and select the image to import. Currently, we support the import of JPEGs and other image formats. PDF support is not available at this time. After importing your asset, you can scale it down on the sheet. This is a title block that we have imported. After scaling the title block, I can duplicate my sheet by going to the Sheets tab, right-clicking on the sheet, and selecting Duplicate. You can duplicate it from the sheet name or hold Alt on your keyboard and drag to create copies of your sheet. You can then remove these objects and start creating or setting new views from my Snaptrude project. Use the various options in present mode to draw within Snaptrude and collaborate. We offer a draw tool that allows freehand sketching over your drawings. You can also use this tool to draw arrow marks. This tool is compatible with an iPad, so you can sketch using an iPad if you prefer. To enhance collaboration, we have a sticky note option. You can leave sticky notes for your team to see. These notes can be left either inside or outside of your sheet in Snaptrude. Within the sticky note, you can write text, control the color, and even adjust the size of the text. In present mode, we have additional drawing tools, including the ability to draw straight and curved arrows. You can adjust the line weight of these arrows using the right-hand side toolbar. You can choose between solid, dotted, or dashed lines. To arrange your sheets, select and hold Shift on your keyboard to select multiple objects. Simply drag and drop to move your sheets. You can use the drawing tools or the text tools to create custom text that can be scaled. From the right toolbar, you can change the color, size, and font of the text. You can also copy and paste screenshots or any other image from the web directly into program mode. Just take a screenshot of your program and paste it directly into present mode. Once your sheets are composed to your satisfaction, you can choose to export them as PDFs or single images. That's how you can work on the present mode in Snaptrude.